Kwa unaimba mbele ya watu.
President WILLIAM Ruto ni atongoririe monanio ma 97 ma mithako itiganite na nyimbo kuma kuri arutwo a ikero ciothe aria mahotanire macindano-ini ma Kenya Music Festival thingira-ini munini wa iregi wa Sagana kaunti-ini ya Nyeri. Akiaria thutha wa monanio maya, President WILLIAM Ruto ni athire Ministry ya Githomo kwarira mibango na njira ya guthukira kigina thukuru wa Kenya Academy of Sports niguo kuwaramia na kuutua thukuru wa bururi wa National Academy of Creative Arts uria ugukorwo ukihuthika gukuria IHEO itiganite na oho uhuthike mathomo-ini ma CBE.
I am directing the Ministry of Education to immediately review the Kenya Academy of Sports and expand it to be the Kenya Academy of Arts, Creatives and Sports, and provide the necessary funding so that we can begin to put in place the necessary infrastructure that will support the 3 pathways.
Ruto anireirio thutha wa MUIKARIRI GITI wa Music Festival FREDRICK NGALA kumoria agia na mubango wa gwaka thukuru wa National Academy of Creative Arts uria ungihuthika ni andu aingi akiuga ni marehaririria kunyitanagira na mabururi mangi monanio-ini na macindano-ini maya.
We establish a National Academy of for Creative Arts. Why is this important, Your Excellency? You have seen a galaxy of performers here, a coterie of performers here today. But after this, where do they go? And there are also those people who are not in the school cycle or system. We can bring them and ask KICD to give us a curriculum.
Mwena-ini wake munini wa President PROF Kithure Kindiki ni ateterithirie pathways ithatu iria arutwo macagurite ciĩgiĩ mathomo mao ma senior school hatire ibatie kunyararwo kuona ciothe ni cia bata na ni iguteithia arutwo.
The 3 pathways of STEM, social sciences, the sports and arts are equally important, and we must make sure that we protect, defend and promote all of them if Kenya is going to move to the next level.
Na irita njira ya gukuria na kuhimbiria iheo iria arutwo mari nacio monanio maya ma Music Festival ni mekiritwo mutambo-ini wa eCitizen kuria mundu aririhagira kumona.
We intend to monetize this content and we will be clicking every click 200 shillings per view. So sir, we are intending to use this revenue collected to benefit the Ministry of Education and to benefit the government at large.
The platform will be live on eCitizen, enabling students, parents, and fans to download performances instantly for less than 250 shillings without having to travel to Nairobi.
Oho Ruto ni ahinyiriirie ministries ciothe gukoragwo ikihuthira nenda kwanirira miekio yothe guku akiuria board ya aini Kenya Music Copyright Board gutigirira gicunji kia 70% kia mbeca iria ciunganagio cia muini ni kia mukinyira na hari mbeca cia Skiza Tune muini agatumagirwo gicunji kia 52% Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.